Welcome today I'm with DOOGEE S95 Pro, and I'll show you how to manage sound options on this device. So first you should go to the settings, and here just find the sounds, and now you can see the media volume. You can change this volume. Also you can change the call volume and the ring volumes. Also we can change the alarm volume here. If you will activate this switcher, when someone will call you, you will have the vibration of this call. Also we got here the don't disturb option. You can turn it on. You can turn it on just for calls or to the SMS and MMS. And also if we'll go back, we can see that we can change the notification sound, for example, to this one. Also we can change the phone ringtone. Okay, now we'll go here to the advanced option. For example, here if you will tap to the switcher to the DL pad tones, now you can hear these tones, for example, like this. Now we'll go back, and for example we get here the touch sounds. If we will turn on this switcher, you can hear the touch sounds, for example. Also if you will open the application. So, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.